No Melo, no problem as Knicks edge coverage. New York. With star forward Carmelo Anthony sidelined by left ankle sprain, the New York Knicks held off a late rally to defeat the Cleveland Cavaliers to 103 and 1 to 102 in an NBA game Saturday. Knicks coach Mike Woodson, who pulled Anthony from lineup a few hours before the game, said that Anthony's status is uncertain for Monday's game against Houston and former Knicks teammate Jeremy Lin. Raymond Felton led New York with 25 points, Tyson Chandler added 23 points, and J.R. Smith came off the bench to contribute 16 points. Felton led the Knicks with 10 rebounds. Jason, Jason Kidd added 9 points and 8 assists. Rookie Chris Copeland, who made his first NBA start in place of Anthony at power forward, scored 11 points in just under 19 minutes on the court. Kyrie Irving scored a game-high 41 points to lead the Cavaliers. Anthony was injured last Saturday in a victory against Los Angeles Lakers after an awkward landing when he fell following third-quarter collision with Dwight Howard. The Knicks already missing player Amar Stoudemire are 2-1 without Anthony in the lineup this season. He missed 2 games earlier this month with a cut on his left middle finger.